Alright, what is up, boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below for the comment section. And today we're taking a look at Byte on the daily time frame. As we can see, looking extremely juicy as we continue to get this nice retrace of basically the recent price action that we have seen. Obviously, very interesting chart in my opinion, making those steady higher highs and higher lows as we had the first stage of its life cycle. We came down to here, and then the whales that were holding huge amounts of the token started selling the bottom when we were probably heading into a bit of a support level here where we probably would have bounced. You can see the whales really starting to sell the bottom down here. Lots and lots of people getting out of huge bags, emptying their wallets completely for some reason. And then we came down to this level here of previous structure, and then we started to get that huge reversal off the lows as people started to get back in, realizing obviously Elon Musk had mentioned Byte the dog as well. Overall, there's some very bullish narratives surrounding Byte. Obviously getting up to around that 4,000th of a whatever level up here, and now we're sitting at around just under a 2,000th of a whatever here, backtesting potentially the 100 moving average on the daily here, although I wouldn't class this as really as being an area where we will be getting a bounce. This hasn't really formed that much because of the lack of price history. But you can see here, we have basically had a nice move up to the upside, getting down to around 50% retraced here and back testing into this previous level of resistance as support. So in reality, I would probably expect us to start seeing a bounce somewhere in this area, or at least a consolidation. Obviously, we've had a really nice reversal off the lows, and we didn't get that far away from the all-time high at all. I think you could easily see something like this starting to happen where we start to move up to the upside and get a nice little back test in one of these local areas. Overall, this chart is looking absolutely glorious. You could say realistically, all that we've done is we've kind of just put in a little bit of a range. We've got the high and the low, and now we are waiting for Byte to break to the upside in a huge way, in my opinion. So